Beware, guys, extremely dangerous when you're traveling from Maharashtra to Karnataka in the border. Please don't fall for it. Please don't make any fake RT-PCR report to enter Karnataka. Okay, nim safety nu nam safety nu nodkolappa. Please, no fake RT-PCR report. Please. Namaskara. Ellargu namaskaralu. This is Ashish Matthew. Welcome to another vlog. Okay, today I'm here with a very important information. Okay, you got to be really beware when you're traveling from Maharashtra to Karnataka, because there are certain things happening there, and I would like to reveal that and also read that particular comment from one of my subscribers who actually traveled probably 4 days back. Okay, so now before that, just the last week, I got a chance to go to Club Cabana Resort in Devanahalli, probably one of the best resorts. Okay, please do go there, please do visit, because not all resorts have dry games and water games. Here, okay, not only the swimming pool, there are some water rides, beautiful games, and also food was really good. Especially the people who are actually taking care of you are extremely generous. And on top of that, icing on the cake, if you're actually going there and if you tell them that you are my subscriber, you will be getting a very good discount. Definitely, after me going, there are 3 more bunches who just went telling that they are my subscribers, and my friends, they got a huge discount, because no resorts will give you this kind of a discount. Okay, here please do use my name as reference, and then do tell them that you're my subscriber. You will be getting a discount on your package. So let's get into the video. Here we go. Folks, on 10th of this month, okay, one of my subscriber traveled from Maharashtra to Karnataka. Okay, so as you guys know that you need RT-PCR for mandatory for sure. Okay, so they reached the border, and as soon as they reached the border, what happened? They were checking, and they had their RT-PCR, but the driver of their car did not have the RT-PCR. So what did the checkpost police say? Please go take the antigen test from somewhere close by. There was one lab which was around 2 kilometers from the border. They happened to go there to get the antigen test. Okay, because RT-PCR will take around 14 hours. Now, on their way to the lab to get the antigen test for their driver, there were a couple of people who were standing beside. They said that, sir, antigen test tumba costly. Okay, and also your RT-PCR is very much expensive, and it will take around $1,200 and take a day for you to get the report. Instead of that, pay us some amount and we will actually show you another route so that you can bypass the border. You wouldn't have to go through the check post. Now, my friend did not pay it. Instead, what he did was he actually went to the lab. He got the antigen test, which he got it within 30 minutes. Now, please don't fall for this particular trap, because it could be a trap. Okay, if you pay, they would actually take you from a different route and you can be trapped there. Okay, they can actually take advantage of this particular situation. So please, this is exclusively happening when you're traveling from Maharashtra to Karnataka in the border. Okay, so antigen test nimatra RT-PCR illa andre, please go ahead and take an antigen test, and then please go through the check post. Don't fall for these kind of people. Okay, see, such a bad situation, man. We are in an emergency situation. Idinanu advantage tagondu tumba janru idare andre really bad. Okay, really bad. So for all of you guys who are actually watching my video and who haven't watched the video, please do share it to the people who are actually traveling from Maharashtra to Karnataka. Please tell them not to fall for it. Okay, this is exclusive when you're coming in car. Okay, not the flight or train. Okay, so on the other side, okay, people who are traveling from Kerala to Karnataka, there were 3-4 guys who commented on my video. Thank you so much to you people. Otri nanni undu, because you guys clearly told that they were checking RT-PCR you guys had, and there was no institutional quarantine as such. So let me just read these 3 comments for you guys. I'm not gonna reveal their names, okay, but I'll just read these comments. It'll be really helpful for you guys, and also your skeptical mind will just come over, and you will get more confidence to travel from Kerala to Karnataka. Okay, IQ yenu illa. Okay, but have your RT-PCR mandatory with you. Let me just go ahead and read this particular comment for you. Ashish, traveled from Mumbai to Karnataka yesterday, 10/9/2021. They did ask for RT-PCR test. Unfortunately, my driver whose car I hired did not have RT-PCR test. They asked him to get antigen test before entering. This test is done around 2 kilometers from the Karnataka border. It's a small lab opposite to Kolhapur post office. For around $500, 15 minutes, report was given, superb, after which they allowed him to enter. Most important, one has to be very careful of touts, cause as soon as we asked for the direction for antigen test, when we returned to Koklapuria, Somehow one individual approached us stating that RT-PCR will cost $1,200 and report will take 8 hours. And if we offer him some money, he can somehow get us across the border into Karnataka. Ridiculous, right? Through some different route. We told him we are not interested, and Belgavi police had only asked for antigen test and not RT-PCR from our driver. Hope this helps. Okay, he went away quietly. Yes. Hope this helps. Please ask your subscribers not to fall for what these touts say. To get them into Karnataka through illegal means, if they get caught, will prove to be a very difficult situation. So guys, please don't fall for it. Have your document. If not, please go ahead and take the antigen test. Hi bro, I just traveled to Kerala via road day before yesterday and returned yesterday via Sultan Batheri back to Karnataka. It was a short-term visit. I had RT-PCR, showed the same in the check post, and there was no quarantine. This is for guys who are worried about the quarantine. So, hence proved there is no institutional quarantine, provided have your RT-PCR. Let me just read another document or the comment as well. Hi, today I traveled back to Karnataka through Bandipur forest. They just checked my document RT-PCR and final vaccination. No IQ, no issues. Compared to every time, it was very peaceful without any traffic and enjoy the wild views. Thank you so much for this wonderful comments. So guys, I just read it. I hope you guys would have got more confidence. So Dhairyadinda, go ahead and travel from Kerala to Karnataka or from any other state. Please have your RT-PCR, okay? This is a very good ticket for you to just surpass the check post, okay? So, and my advice is not to pay $1,200. Instead, plan your travel and go to the government, health centers and get your RT-PCR tested so that it will be free for you. And also for the people who are traveling to have your school, your exams and so on, for the students, please have your RT-PCR, because when you actually reach the hostel, they are definitely asking it. And also the apartment areas, some of the associations of the apartment are making it very sure that only if you are RT-PCR, you will be allowed inside. Illandre gate atra definitely security will stop you. Okay, so it's all nim safety goskara, others safety as well. So you have to take care of yourself and also others. So have your RT-PCR. And also guys, please yaru negative report duplicate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಡಿ. There are many places, many cases where people are actually, getting duplicate certificates. PDF ado easily edit ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Please don't do that, okay? And after you come here and you are positive, it really is sad here. I mean, there are many clusters in Karnataka which has happened because of that. Even now there are many clusters. So please don't make any kind of a duplicate RT-PCR certificate. Let's be real, let's travel, and it's for our safety and other safety as well. Thanks a lot. This is Ashish Mathew signing off. Jai Karnataka Mate, Jai Hind. Any doubt is there, put it in the comment box. I will definitely try to help you out. And also people who are traveling, please put your travel testimonial. Tumba janarige help agutte. And people who have already put it, thank you so much. Take care guys. Bye bye. See you. Mask hakoli.